Hey guys, it's Windar the Warrior again, and today I'm going to be making more progress on the jail cell that I'm trying to make. So, I watched my last video and I'm gonna name a few mistakes I made. First of all, I called this a window. It's the bars, of course, and mostly it looks pretty good. I mean, I don't really remember what block I was using last time. I didn't really pay attention. But, at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter. So, I'm going to continue this project from where I started. Because I just want to do this, We go, that's a much bigger cell. Would the cells look good together? Probably. But it's fine. It's not the end of the world. I think I can make this one slightly smaller though. Just like that. Start with the roof. Yep. Now I'm making pretty decent progress now. Don't ask why I wanted to make a jail cell in the first place. It was an idea I had, so I don't really know. It's kind of cool though, I guess, right? I hope so. I'm not really doing this for any projects or anything. I'm mainly just doing this for myself. So yeah. I mean, I don't want to say anything, but that looks pretty good. Looks very good. Maybe the problem is the windows should be, yeah, to the ceiling. That looks definitely way better. Yeah. Check that out. I mean, I like it so far. It's looking pretty good. Yeah. I should definitely add something to the floor to give it a more, kind of destroyed... What's a good floor pattern? I decided I'm just gonna use andesite as the floors. I mean, I could always change it later on, but to be honest, I just, I think it's the best lighter block for this. Right. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And then just replace the floor. Yeah, I like it. Looks pretty decent. I should work on the bunk beds now. Unfortunately, Mojang hasn't really added the new bed. The new cushions. But I can make do for now, I guess. It's not gonna work. Normal beds. I mean, it looks okay. I'll just use that for now. And of course, you're gonna need a toilet. Because of course, right? And that looks like a decent jail. This one is definitely gonna have bunk beds. Yeah, kind of like that. Would chains look good, I wonder? Maybe. Nah. I have a way better idea. Just use these. Yeah, see? That looks way better already. And of course, we're going to need... I threw it away. The cauldron. There we go. I don't know about you, but this is pretty decent so far. Of course, we want to get maybe an ominous... Maybe some copper torches would look nice. Maybe green fits the vibe here. Let's change it to night. How does that look? I mean, this is definitely a vibe. Oof. Of course, I've just remembered that a lot of jails stereotypically have some sort of poster going on. So, I mean, that looks definitely kind of nice. I would say so. I wonder. This looks pretty good so far. Right. Time to continue going with this. So... Oops. Sorry about that, guys. Just my dad was calling me. All right. Here we go. Anyways, what I was gonna say was I was building a water park in a friend's world. So I've been a really big fan of creative mode as of recently. That's why I've been just trying to just build a lot. I know, I find it really fun. I would advise you guys trying creative mode as well. Just go into a world and just start building things. After a while, you might find something interesting, you know? So it's another cell done. Of course, we gotta add the beds and the toilet. I might put it in the floor instead. That might be... Nah. I think it's fine right there. I mean, I don't know about you, but this looks pretty good. It's small progress. I know. The last thing I'm gonna do before I finish this video is I'm going to make the stairs. Because I definitely want a second floor to this. Yeah. I guess this is where I will start the next floor. Alright. That's pretty good progress so far. I'm happy. So, I guess, yeah. I'll see you guys later. Bye.